Hi everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I want to cover the topic about how is odor transmitted. First of all, I want to show you one of the manual from the IICRC. The IICRC is the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning and Restoration Certification. Is what a lot of cleaning companies and restoration companies we use to learn and to follow the guidelines. This one was for mold. I got another one for microbial, and then the one and I want to show you and cover is the one for deodorization. And basically, if you smell odor or you got bad odors in your house, there are many reasons, but I just want to cover how odor is transmitted. First of all, in a dry environment, you hardly smell anything. That's why in a dry climate, you don't smell flowers, or if it's too cold, you don't smell anything. If you smell bad odors or you smell something, that means that you have high humidity. When humidity is high, we got moisture in the air and the odor travels through moisture. And then if we have high temperature, we also smell the odor. You need two things for you to be able to smell odor. One is high humidity and the other one is high temperature. If you got bad odors at home, get something to check how high the humidity and how high the temperature is in your house. We highly recommend all our clients to have the humidity at least on 50 or below 50 in your house, and temperature around 70. It's up to you how you feel comfortable in your house. But if you are around the 50% relative humidity in your house and temperature around 70s, you will be fine and you won't smell a lot of bad odors. If you have any question, please, about cleaning or odor restoration, leave a comment on this video. Leave us a like or subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.